Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a holiday makeup look. I hope you guys enjoy it and let's get started. First I'm going to be using the Face Shop Base Tone Controller Base for SPF and as a base. Then I'm going to use the Urban Decay Primer Potion to prime my eyes. Next, I'll be using a red brick color from Colourpop in the outer corners. Next, I'll be using this emerald green eyeshadow on my lids. Now I'm going to use the same red brick color to blend in the green and the red. Now I'm taking this light brown color from Colourpop to blend all the colors together. I'm going to take the red color down into my lower eyes. Now I'm taking the green eyeshadow to bring out more pigment since it kind of got lost while I was blending the shadows together. Now I'm taking the champagne eyeshadow stick and putting it into my inner corners. Now I'm using this Benefit Porefessional primer to minimize my pores. And I'm going to fill in my brows using the Benefit Brow Zings. Now I'm lining my eyes with the Stila waterproof liquid eyeliner. And I'm setting my brows with a brow gel. Now I'm going in with the MAC Studio Fix foundation. Curling my eyelashes and prepping them for falsies with mascara. The falsies I'm using is the Ardell Faux Mink Demi Wispies. Next, I'm taking the Hoola bronzer and contouring my face. Then I'm gonna take the Tarte blush and putting it on the apples of my cheeks. Now I'm taking the e.l.f. highlighter and highlighting my cheekbones and my nose. Next, I'm going to line my lips with a dark red lip liner. I'm going to use a lip brush to blend in the line that I did. Next, I'm going to take this lip balm for a little bit of gloss. I'm going to set my makeup and we're all done.